to start the exercise 2.3. This is based on multiplication of a fraction by a fractions. So the first question that is given in the book is find number 1. It is given find question 1 is 1 by 4 of, there is option A, B and C. It is 1 by 4. B option is given 3 by 5 and C option it is given 4 by 3. Okay, we need to multiply fraction with these three fractions. So for the first one, if I write the answer for A, so it will be 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. That means you have to do the product. Of means product. And the rule is you have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 into 1 divided by 4 into 4. So it will be 1 by 16. Question B. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. That means 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. So 1 into 3, that is numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So it will be 4 into 5. So it will be 3 by 20. Same if I do for the C, that is 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. 1 into 4 divided by 4 into 3. So 1 4s are 4, so 4 3s are 12. Okay, so this is how we have to do the first question, that is question number 1A. 1 by 4 of A, B and C. Any doubt regarding this you can ask. Then we go to question number 2. Question number 2 is given, we have to divide, multiply 1 by 7 of 1 by 7 of, it is given 2 by 9. Then B is given 6 by 5 and C is given 3 by 10. We need to multiply 1 by 7 to 2 by 9, 6 by 5 and 3 by 10. So if I go on doing it, so the first one is 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. So it will be 1 into 2, 7 into 9. Numerator into numerator. So 1 into 2 is 2, 7 9s it will be 63. Then it is 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. So not 2 by 9, it will be 6 by 5. Second one. So 1 into 6 divided by 7 into 5. So 1 6 are 6, 7 5 are 35. This one is a homework for you. This you have to do it by yourself. Okay, I have done the question 1 ABC. Question 2 AB I have done. C is your homework for you. I'll be going to question number 2 now. So question number 2 is multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. I have written 3 questions, question 1, question 2 and question 3. We have to multiply and also if I can reduce into lowest terms that we can do it. First one, as you can see this is in a mixed fraction, you convert that into improper fraction first. 2 by 3 into 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 by 3 equals to numerator into numerator, that is 2 into 8 divided by 3 into 3. So it will be 2 is a 16, 16 by 9. I cannot make it into a lower form because it is 16 by 9. It is not divisible. I go to the next one. 2 into 7 divided by 7 into 9. I can make this into a lowest fraction. How? You can see the above one is also having a 7. Below one is also having a 7. That means 7 by 7 is what? It is equals to 1. Or else I can do cut. I can cut 7 by 7. So it will be 2 by 9. Go to the third one. It is 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. So 3 into 6 into 8 into 4. Yes, I can little bit simplify. This is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So it will be 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So this will be the answer for the third one. So the question number 4 is a homework for you and question number 7 is a homework for you. I am doing question 5 and question 6. So here again we can multiply 1 into 15. It will be 3 into 8. Can I convert into a smaller fraction? Yes. 3 5s are 15. So this will be equals to 5 by 8. If I go to the next one, it is 11 into 2 into 11 into 3 divided by 2 into 10. So it will be 11 3s are 33, 2 10s are 20. We cannot make it into a simple form. It is already in a lowest form. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is given, multiply the following fractions. First question 3 1. It is given 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. Second question is 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. Then if I go to the question number 3, it is given 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. These are the 3 questions I will be discussing. First question, 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. So it will be 2 by 5 into 5 4s are 20, 21 by 4. Then we have 6 5s are 30, 32 by 5 into 7 by 9 equals to 3 by 2 into 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 by 3. I want to make it in a simpler form. It is not given to make it into a simpler form. You can make it in a simpler form, or you can just multiply, keep and multiply it. 2 into 21 is 42, and 5 4s it will be 20. You can make it in a simpler form, but it is not specified in the question. Then 32 into 7, so 7 2s are 14, 1, 3 6 are 21, so it will be 224 divided by, it will be 45. Okay, so it will be 224 by 45. Then this will be 3 16s, it will be 48 divided by 2 3s are 6. This is your 224 by 45. This is your answer. This is your question 1, 2 and 3. We'll be discussing some more questions in the next class.